Have you ever wondered what your credit score is and what factors influence it? It's a crucial piece of information that can affect everything from getting a loan to securing a job. One of the most important places to check your credit is Equifax, a major credit reporting agency. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to download your Equifax credit report. Imagine you're looking to buy a house. A good credit score can significantly impact the interest rate you'll get on your mortgage. Or perhaps you're applying for a credit card. A strong credit history can help you secure a card with favorable terms. That's why understanding your credit report is so essential. Why Equifax? Equifax, along with Experian and TransUnion, are the three major credit reporting agencies in the United States. Each agency collects and maintains credit information from various sources, including lenders, banks, and public records. While all three agencies provide valuable insights, it's often recommended to check your credit report with all of them to get a comprehensive view. Step-by-step guide. Create an account. The first step is to create an account on the Equifax website. This will allow you to access your credit report and other important information. The process is usually straightforward and involves providing basic personal details. Verify your identity. To protect your sensitive information, Equifax will require you to verify your identity. This typically involves answering a few security questions or providing additional documentation. Access your report. Once your identity is verified, you can access your credit report. You'll likely have the option to download it as a PDF or view it online. Review your report. Take the time to carefully review your credit report. Look for any errors or discrepancies. If you find any inaccuracies, dispute them immediately with Equifax. Understand your credit score. Your credit report will include a credit score. This number represents your creditworthiness based on factors such as payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history. Monitor your credit regularly. It's important to monitor your credit regularly. This will help you detect any fraudulent activity or unauthorized accounts. Consider setting up credit monitoring alerts to stay informed about changes to your credit report. Additional tips. Annual free report. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, you are entitled to a free credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus once a year. You can request your free report through annualcreditreport.com. Dispute errors. If you find any errors on your credit report, dispute them promptly. Equifax has a process for disputing inaccuracies. Improve your credit score. If you're looking to improve your credit score, there are several strategies you can follow. These include paying bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and avoiding new credit accounts unless necessary. Downloading your Equifax credit report is a crucial step in understanding your financial health. By reviewing your report and taking steps to improve your credit score, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.